you ready to learn the easiest and the fastest method to start a t-shirt design business with little to no upfront costs? A business that does not require you to store or purchase any inventory? Hey, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and welcome to the How to Start a T-Shirt Business Masterclass. When you enroll in this course, you will have everything you need to get started with your own t-shirt design business with little to no upfront costs. You're not required to store or purchase any inventory, and you don't even have to be a designer to get started with the strategies you'll learn in this course. You get to follow me step by step as I go over how to perform market and keyword research, download the free software and tools that you'll need to run your t-shirt design business, show you how to create your own t-shirt designs, and show you where you can purchase designs from high-quality designers, create accounts, and upload your designs to multiple platforms including Merch by Amazon, Teespring, and Redbubble. Optimize your product listings for SEO and search rankings, how to create image and video mockups for ad campaigns and promotions, how to build brand pages on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, go over both free and paid promotion strategies to market your t-shirt designs to drive more sales, and tons more. We will set up each platform one by one and go over various strategies for each platform, like my secret strategy to tier up fast on Merch by Amazon. By the end of the course, you'll have everything you need to easily start and build your own t-shirt design business. So go ahead and click that enroll button and let's get started. I'll see you inside the course.